Hey guys, so I'm on my way to the market. I'm actually going to get materials for our burial. I lost my aunt, so our burial is coming up soon. So I'm going to get the material we're all going to wear for the burial, and I'm going to Wuse Market. This is to 10. So I'm kind of in a hurry because I want to be back. I have to send it today and I have to be back to pick up the kids by 1. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually just tying my hair. I don't want to make my hair now because I feel like it's a waste of money. For the burial, I plan to make my hair just something simple. So maybe making it now, I won't like to go with an old hair. So I'm going to just be tying it and doing my normal packing and all till then. So I'm done from Wuse Market. I got some things, some materials. This bag, I'm going to be sending them. I'm going to the park to send them. Then I got this hair. It's coily. I got this coily hair from the market, Miracle, and I really love it. And then that's it. So I'm leaving the market now, going to the park to send them. God, getting space in Wuse Market is not easy. People that live in Abuja can even, like, they know what I'm saying. It's not easy to get a space in Wuse Market. Most times people even block you. Like, people now park and go out, like go somewhere to buy something, and you're stuck and you're waiting for them. It's not easy. And today is Friday. A lot of people are in the market as if they traveled, something just happened. A whole lot of people are in the market. So anyways, I'm just leaving. I'm so tired. I'm rushing. It's already to 1. I'm rushing so that I can finish up like by 2, at least 2:30. I should pick up my kids, you know. And that is it. Bye guys. Wait on. I want to send Lagos. Huh? I should come. Okay, if I do your own, ladies and gentlemen.
Mom, wait! Wait. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to my nascent Gina Defense channel! Mom, you have to put the phone over here.
Don't worry about that.
Now, we're done. Mom, I need to tell the story about something. Now, if you stop, say his story!
All right.
When I say 1, 2, action, you know, start his story. You say, let's say I want to actually say your story, please. Places, everyone, places. Okay, 1, 2, action. That's his story. Cut. You're supposed to do your story, not dance moves. A story. Let's try it again. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're announcing Gina and Ipe's channel. We're starting with the storyteller, Ipe.
Ife, come and tell us your story.
Please come in and tell us the story, please. The third thing.
Give him the microphone, please.
Take the microphone and tell the story. Once a time, a little girl going in the woods. Now you're lost. The wrong way. This is. Once upon a time, this princess is lost in the bush. But the bears. No.
Gina, let him talk.
And the forest. The princess was lost in the forest. Then a monster came to took her in her own cave. Okay. Once upon a time, the princess lost, and the mother said, "Forest, lost in the forest." The princess lost in the forest. Bear monster. Bear monster. And when the mother called in the room, in the cave, he
Sound City ABUJA everywhere on social media.
Well done.
No. So I'm going to the kids' room to make sure that they're sleeping. They're going to school tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. That's what I'm doing. Yep.
Tell me.
Here's a video you.
Why?
Nothing.
For what? For what? For where's mommy for yet?
Yeah, you guys should lie down and sleep, okay? Let's pray. Let's pray, then we'll sleep, okay?
Pray.
Yeah, we'll have to pray.
Down. Pray.
Yes, you have to kneel down. Ife.
Will you join us?
Okay, I'm joining you guys. Guys, I don't even know what's happening in Abuja right now. They just, one small, like, wind just blows and they take light for like 4 days. I don't understand. I don't know if it's just my area in Abuja, but many people are complaining about it and it's really annoying. Like, we made soup. I made soup yesterday, hoping that, okay, since they took it there for yesterday, like yesterday they would have brought it, only for them not to bring the light. And I made new soup. Like, fam, I was so scared. I was scared, and I was planning to clean my freezer, as if God just told me don't clean it, just be lazy and don't clean it. If not, I don't know what I would have done. Like, everything would have spoiled in my house. Then I finally brought it this night. Like, they brought it and now took it. Everybody was so happy. My generator was bad. My generator having madness. Generator guy we normally use, they're feeling like one king. He came to the house, said one thing that is wrong with the generator. We said, okay, no problem. We gave him money. And till today, like, his phone is switched off. And he's not even, like, he's telling us different things. He's telling my husband something else. He's telling me something. I called him. He told me, okay, he's on his way. He just went to get, meet one woman. He's coming back. He told my husband he went to Suleja. Just imagine, you know. And I was so happy when they brought the light. Next thing, they took it again. And I'm like, these people just want me to faint. You guys just want me. And my battery was low. Like plenty things were just happening. But I'm so glad Bobby traveled. So we're just home alone. I'm alone in my room. I'm enjoying this space, but it's not easy. It's not. I miss him. Good night, fam. Good night. Good morning, guys. So it's Friday morning. I just woke up. I woke up very late. It's 6 something. I normally wake up by 5:30. The weather is cool, very cold, very cold. So I don't know if that's why I woke up late. And I have to go and wake the kids up. I was say wake up the kids. I'm surprised that I'm awake. I'm supposed to be hearing. Normally they will even wake you up. I don't know. The weather is just too sweet and cold. But I'm very cold and I don't know the AC to sleep because what came over me. I used AC to sleep. I woke up late. Let me just wake up the kids up. They're still sleeping. Hi, Jean. Jean. How are you? His mom. Hello. Ife. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Bobo. Look at mom. Look at mom. How do you, bro? How do you? Wake up. You have to go to school. The sleep is so sweet, right? Oh, you have to go to school. Ife Baba, come now. Eat your nose. Eat your nose. Give me a nose. Give me a nose. My other friend Cynthia, and this is the celebrant baby Shiloh, and this is the celebrant, and this is her other baby. See me, I'm feeling guilty. They're not making me feel like that. Why I didn't bring Jin Naya? Yeah. That place is nice too. You pay 1K. Your daughter will play from morning to night.
They have swings that they can enter.
Everything.
Where is it?
Central area. You know Zimbabwe.
By that much, Sabi. It's by there before.
I don't know where Junction. No, that's Millennium Park.
Close to 1 hour from there.
Yeah, that's far. Yes, but you go, if you follow that silver bed, that could not go, as if you're going this way, not back again. Yeah, you not go there. You can also do car, this driving.
There's somewhere.
Do you do what was start when you were small?
What do you want?
What? There's something we used to do when we were small. That was start, like people will be shooting. People will be shooting, like hiding and shooting. People do not play. People are not too. We do it though, but they do it there too. But this way.
What do you want? I can find that now. That place
We will shout, no, we will shout, whoa, like that's how we used to say it. We will shout, whoa, start. Everybody will hold their gun, not be shooting. Anybody when you kill go die.
Okay, yeah. I know the game now.
What do you call it? No name.
Doesn't have a name. I know about
We used to call it whoa, start. So they do it there, but. So they used to do it, but it's quite expensive.
You wear an outfit.
You wear an outfit, all those dramatic things.
Yeah. Just get back to the second word.
If you still carry the 2 months after.
What are you waiting for?
You know whether I get belly.
Are you true?
No.
She can't be serious.
Why is it can't be true? Like I do like Bonaventure.
Because do you know, the truth is, really, if I stand myself actually, I'm not doing gender selection thing, I'm not a boy. That would have been more than you saying now, that is it. Two. Yeah. You see, they say, vacation for four, mother, father, and 2 children. Yeah. And what are we carrying out? Your mother, that was there. That's why I cannot afford to do my job. Treat abroad. What are you saying?
I want 4. And it's 3 is I want. Let me just have 1.
That means the person is
girls first,
maybe just to do
yeah, I will probably do it, yes.
I think if I was thinking well,
pyramid will actually help.
yes, it does. But the disadvantage is that Lothar Pages said that the disadvantage of flow made is that you can have 4, 8, 10.
Yay.
Yes, that's what we want.
Actually, that was 10,000. I called them. Thank you. So that I remember my neck was really sharp. Like they have spa, they have for people standard. They even tell us forever have something and they have position is get. Don't forget. It's very good. So because of level, that means I went to inside that pharmacy at Enchin Guarifa. That place, that's gym line. I don't know where that one is. It's a big place, so this was like one that they collected everything. Yes, that was a 7K, so registration, everything.
Hey guys, I just got back from my friend's birthday. It's I know it's more than, let me check the time, after 11. I actually came back by to 11. Jesus, see mosquito. Can you imagine? And I had a great time. It was really intimate, just for us with her kids. I was supposed to go with my kids, but she told me a bit late, so I didn't want to be putting my kids through that kind of plenty drama, you know. I had a great time. Fam, do you know what I noticed today? When I was coming back, all the policemen that were like, all the police checkpoints, they were so nice to me. But I know the niceness was just like, how far now, your how did it no you're not your boys. They cannot call themselves my boys. They'll just say something like give final something. I can't even remember their words, but they always say something like the niceness was always like final something, and me, I'll just start smiling. If you see me, I'll just be like I don't even want to hear. I don't even want them to stop me. Like, I'm so scared of police. I don't know why. Growing up in Port Harcourt, police was like a big deal. When I came to Abuja, it was normal. Like, you can see a policeman, I even drive past him and I'm like, geez, you know. It has even changed now. When I first came, like people used to just drive off, like, why are you stopping me, you know? But in Port Harcourt, like, they don't even born you where the policeman go use you learn work, go use the open office, go use you like you shaggy. I'm telling you, seriously. I'm about to apply my, let me show you guys. I'm about to apply this. So this is not an ad. I posted this on, why are my eyes red? My eyes are red, I don't know why. I posted it on my Instagram, so, and I really like, I use it legit. It's not advert or anything. So I'm about to scrub my face. I usually scrub my face at night and every other night. Not every night, every other night. I just scrub my face. I love the softness, the smoothness it gives me, and my skin is really begging me for help these days. But I don't care at this point because I'm doing everything I can. So if I see changes, if the thing I'm doing right now works, then I'm going to be doing a video for you guys. And you know, because of the way my skin is, it makes me not to want to do videos. I won't even lie, like, you know, like talking videos, because I just feel like my skin is so rough. So let me just clean up and go to bed, and good night, guys. Good night. The kids are sleeping. I'm so happy because I was scared that they were going to be awake and they were going to start disturbing me. So they are sleeping. So I'm just going to bed and crashing. Good night. Good morning, fam.
Yeah. I got you.
Oh, I moved my hand.
I got you.
So this is Saturday morning. I have laundry today. I'll make my akara. Everybody knows I make akara on Saturdays. I'm trying to mix things up, but we're so used to it now that it's always awkward when you say, okay, let me do something else. So anyways, I'm doing laundry. I'm going to do laundry today. Then it's raining, but I have to wash. I can't even try because there is light, and most times when it rains for 4 days, they don't give us light. So I have to wash today and just keep, I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't smell. Hopefully I just find a way to spread them, you know. So that's what I'm doing this morning, and I may not go out. I'll just take pictures of my new stock I got from my accessory shop. And I was supposed to go out, but I don't think I will go out. I'll just stay and rest and stay with the kids and just have fun. Okay, so today Gina is doing her video, her Aladdin, the movie review video. So that's what we're doing today, and I have to edit it today and I have to post it today. So I can't even go anywhere because I'm making so much. Look at them. Hi guys, good afternoon. So this is Sunday afternoon. I and the kids were going to actually cut Ife's hair, and Gina wants to tag along. She's not supposed to be going with us, but she wants to follow us. So I said, let me really, Gina? So this is the the cutting hair boy. Ife, just Ife, turn around. See what my son is wearing on his face. Ife, turn around. Let them see your face. Oh, you've removed it from your face. This is what he's wearing.
Yeah.
handsome. Oh. What's the problem? You're not happy. Why? Sorry. No worry, go and wash your hair now, okay? So your handsomeness will come out. Love you, Ife. Am I the only one that likes those old school like shows? Those shows that were like the 90s, early 2000s, like Everybody Hates Chris, Martin, My Wife and Kids. I just love those old shows. They're so interesting. I love Martin so much. And I love Will Smith. What's that Will Smith show? I've forgotten the name. That one they have Carlton, Uncle, whatever. I love that show so much. And I love those old school shows where let me reduce the volume. And I love those old school shows where songs, all those songs, all these new edition, you know, those kind of songs. I love them so much. Then when I met my boo, he loved them too, so it was like match made in heaven. I'm the kind of person that I don't really have a lot of Nigerian, like not the Nigerianness of the song, you know, these modern Nigerian songs in my car, on my phone, because I play most of my songs in my car. So, and I feel like my car is where I have my space, my peace, you know. So I only download songs that I really love. So I download those like old song, old school R&B, blues, you know, like Angel of My Life by what's his name? Alright, can you imagine? That's Angel of My Life. I like this kind of songs. I like P Square's old songs, you know, those kind of old love. I'm a lover girl. Like many people don't believe, many people don't know, but I'm a lover girl. So I love this kind of songs. Gee, really? Hey fam, good morning. So I just want to end this week's vlog here. And see, my eyes are really swollen. I've been crying. I posted about this what I've been crying about on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me. Diary from ABUJA. So yesterday I went to Techno office to get a charger. I've been getting chargers and they've not been working. So I'm like, I went to Wisi Market and I'm like, let me just go to Techno office and get a charger. So the place I parked, it was kind of inside. It's so difficult to get space whenever you go to that place because there are a lot of offices and no space to park, you know. So I saw one space near a woman that was selling mama puts. I parked there, only for me to come down. Two people now like blocked me. Like I could have come out, but I was just so scared, you know. So there's this guy that was sitting down. He just finished eating, sorry, from the woman's shop. So I was like, well, he was not like really like telling me, yeah, sorry, like, you know. So I was like, please, can you help me? He now said yes, he can. And he entered the car, gave me his stuff to hold, and started driving. I was controlling him, you know, stop, go, you know, go like this, go like I was just doing that. Which, if now I think about it, that was what I would have even told him to do for me, because me, I think I would have been more careful. Next thing I heard was, boah, like he now scratched my car on someone else's car and pushed my bumper. My bumper came down, then one other thing went up, you know, and he just came down. I said, small scratch. Took his stuff and started going. Like I was like, Jesus. I couldn't even complain because I was the one that even told him to help me. I couldn't, but the thing is, the way he reacted to it, he didn't even empathize with me anymore. He didn't even feel sorry for what he did. He just said, a small scratch. I'm going to be leaving the picture of the small scratch on my screen. And my bumper came down, you know, even if it's a tiny scratch, why would you not even say sorry? He didn't say sorry. He just said small scratch, like a guy, you know, like with swagger, small scratch. He just took his stuff from my hand because I was like, and he left. I just started crying, fam. I couldn't hold it. I started crying. I was crying and crying and crying. Then I started coming to the mechanic shop. I was just crying. A policeman even stopped me. You know, normal police check. And when he stopped, he saw me crying. He was not like, what's the problem? I'm like, nothing, it's just the personal stuff, you know. He now said I should pack. I now packed. He now came to me, just started telling me, stop crying, if it's family problem, if it's husband, he didn't say husband, but he said if it's relationship problem, I should stop crying, I should look up to God, that I should do fasting, you know. He was just talking to me and told me that I should not worry, I'll come and testify to him and all that and all that. So I called one of my friends and we went to the mechanic shop together. On our way to the mechanic shop, she was behind me. She was behind me, but you know how it is now, some people will enter your front, you know. So the car was now behind me, then then her. Next thing I heard was we were in traffic. Next thing on that Apple road, next thing I heard was boom, like something hit me, and I'm like, Jesus, what's going on today? What have I done to everybody in Nigeria, in Abuja, you know? I now came down. The guy now, he was driving a big Jeep. All this I can't remember, but I think it's a Pathfinder. I'm not really sure. He now said that somebody pushed him. Can you imagine? And the keke that was even behind him wasn't close to him. So I'm not like, why are you lying, Oga? Why are you lying? Who pushed you? Nobody pushed you. You hit my car. You're telling me somebody pushed you. He now said saying sorry. You know, people are not telling me sorry. And I just sprayed my car. I just sprayed my car not even up to 2 weeks ago, you know. So it was really painful. I started crying again. And I went to mechanic shop. Mechanic finally saw it, and he was the guy that did it before. He was really upset. He was like, now, you know. And he now charged me 7K to do it. And I know it was much, but he was like, he wanted to blend it with everything. He doesn't want like just one patch will look different from the other ones. So that's why he charged me that amount. Like, I've been so sad. I woke up this morning. I slept really early. I came back home. My kids were just trying to play with me. I just told them I'm really not well. I'm not feeling well. So I'm even talking to you guys. I'm having serious head banging. But I just wanted to end this vlog, and I just want people to just be nice. Like, I don't want to even blame that guy for bashing my car. Maybe he doesn't even know how to really drive as well as me. That's one of the things. Like, when I even told my husband, he was even telling me that I wouldn't have given it to him. Instead, I would have told him to help me, like, control me. I would have been more careful because it's my car and I know how much I spend to do the body work, you know. But I feel like that guy didn't just try. Like, the way he just took his stuff and left, he didn't even say sorry. He just said just a small scratch and just left. Like, why would you even say that to someone? And I just wanted to end my vlog here, this week's vlog, and thank you for watching. Bye.